Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about our 11th chapter of maths, that is measurements. In this chapter we learn about how to measure length, mass and capacity. Second one is conversion of units of measurement. Third one is estimating measures, and fourth speed, time and distance. So measurement is a basic thing. We have to need to measure our height, the capacity of milk, and the length of cloth. In this all the things we have to need the measurement. So how can we measure all these things? Let's start our topic. First one is measurement of length. How can we measure the length? We measure small lengths in centimeter and millimeters. That means we have to measure the small length in centimeter with a ruler. In ruler, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, these are centimeter. And the large length of distance in meters and kilometers. That means small lengths are centimeter and millimeter, small lengths to measure anything, and large length in distance in meters and kilometers. Meter is a standard unit of length. We use a metric ruler to measure the length of smaller objects. So first one is measure the length of paper clip in centimeter. So firstly here it is a ruler. So observe the ruler carefully. The number on the scale denotes centimeter. Here the numbers on the scale denoted centimeter. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to so on. These are centimeters. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. How many equal parts? 10 equal parts. For example, 0 to 1. When we measure these things, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 units. That means each part measure 1 millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, because in centimeter each unit denote 1 unit. That means 10 millimeter. So similar, 0 to 1 is 1 millimeter. The length of paper clip is 3 centimeter and 3 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. That means how many millimeters in centimeter? 1 upon 10. And in centimeter there are 10 millimeter. So that means 1 upon 10, decimal place 1. So answer is 0.1 centimeter. So 3 millimeter is equal to 0.3 centimeter. How can it derive? 3 upon 10, which is equal to 0.3 centimeter. The length of the paper clip is 3 centimeter plus 0.3 centimeter, because we already convert 1 millimeter into 0.1 centimeter, and the answer becomes same, 3 centimeter plus 0.3 centimeter. When we add 3 centimeter plus 0.3 centimeter, that means in a decimal place after 3 there is 0 in 10th place. That now adding 10th place, 3 plus 0, 3 point, 3 plus 0, 3. So answer is 3.3 centimeter. In this way we can convert centimeter into millimeter and millimeter into centimeter. Now converting from one unit to another. That means how can we convert one unit to another? In this chapter we will convert from bigger units to smaller units and vice versa by using decimal. That means firstly we convert bigger units to smaller unit, and also we have convert smaller unit into bigger unit. To convert from bigger to smaller unit we have multiply, and to convert from smaller to bigger units we divide. That means we are taking an example of this. Firstly we will do, first one is kilometer. When we convert kilometer in hectometer, we have to multiply with 10. Then when we convert kilometer in decameter, multiply with 100. So next one in decameter, how many meters in decameter? There are 10. And in meter, there are 10 decimeter. Next one is, there are 10 centimeter in decimeter. And in centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 multiply 10, 100, 1000. That means when we move from kilometer to meter, how many times 10 occur? 1, 2 and 3. When we multiply 10 into 3 times, it becomes 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. But when we convert 1 meter into kilometer, that means we have to divide 1 by 1000 kilometer. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. That means 0.001 kilometer. Similar, 1 meter moving to centimeter, meter to centimeter, 10 multiply 10, 100. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.01 meter. Next one is 1 centimeter. How many millimeters in centimeter? Here is a centimeter. When moving to millimeter, how many 10 occur? Only 1 times. That means 10 millimeter. And in 1 millimeter, there are 1 upon 10 centimeters. That means 0.1 centimeter. So moving to first question, convert 12.7 centimeter into millimeter. So how can we convert? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 12.7 centimeter is equal to 12.7 multiply 10 millimeter. Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, how can it derive? 1 multiply 10. Similar, 12.7 multiply with 10. So now removing the decimal place. How many decimal place? Only 1. So 127 upon 10 divided by 10, because we have 1 decimal point. Multiply with 10. Cut the 0 with 0. So answer become 127 millimeter. So 12.7 centimeter is equal to 127 millimeter. In this way, we can convert centimeter into millimeter. Now next is, if we have given millimeter, we have to convert it into centimeter. Then what will we do? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. That means in centimeter we have to multiply with 10, and in millimeter we have to divide the number by 10. So number is 54.54 millimeter is equal to 54.54 divided by 10. So here we have already 2 decimal places. So firstly we remove the decimal place. It convert into 100. Multiply 1 upon 10. Because 2 decimal place, that's why we have placed 2 zeros. So now 5454 divided by 100 multiply 10, it becomes 1000. Now how many decimal places are here? How count the zeros in 1000? 1, 2, 3. So here 5.4454 decimal place, 3 ones, thousands, hundreds, tenths, 0.5. That means in 54.54 millimeter is equal to 5.454 centimeter. In this way, we can convert millimeter into centimeter. Moving to next question, convert 19,781 meter into kilometer. So we have to convert meter into kilometer. How can we convert it? 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 19,781 meter is equal to 19,781 divided by 1000 kilometer. So now count the zeros 1, 2, 3. That means how many decimal places form? 3 decimal places. So counting from right side and moving to left, ones, tens and 100. So answer is 19.781 kilometer. In this way we can convert meter into kilometer. Now next is convert 9.5 kilometer into meter. So in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So how can we find 9.5 kilometer is equal to meter? That means 9.5 multiply with 1000, because in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter. So now firstly removing decimal. How many decimal point? Place 1. So write 10. And 1 cut 1 0 with 0. Now 95 multiply 100. It becomes 9500 meter. So in 9.5 kilometer, 9500 meters are there. In this way we can find kilometer into meter. Next one is convert 64 meter into centimeter. 64 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So how can we find 60 meter into centimeter? That means 64 meter is equal to 64 multiply with 100. It becomes 6400 centimeter. So next convert 64 centimeter into meter. So it become 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 64 centimeter is equal to 64 divided by 100 meter. How many zeros are there? 2. So it becomes decimal after 2 points. That means 0.64 ones, tens, and after there we write a decimal and 0 also. So answer is 0.64 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. These are units to converting meter into centimeter and all the other things. Moving to next question. Mr. Gupta purchased a 40 meter long rope and Mr. Mondal purchased a 16 meter long rope. What is the total length of the ropes bought by them? Firstly, we have to find the total length of ropes. Then we have to convert, give your answer in centimeter. That means we have to convert meter into centimeter. How can we convert it? Firstly, write Mr. Gupta purchased rope is equal to 40 meter and Mr. Mondal purchased rope which is equal to 16 meter. Now total length of rope That means we have to add 40 meter plus 16 meter, which it becomes 56 meter when we adding these two numbers. Now we have to find the answer in centimeter. Centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and in 56 meter there are 56 multiply with 100. That means 5600 centimeter. So moving to next question. Rakhi used 20 centimeter of ribbon to make flowers. After making the flowers, she found that 9 centimeter of ribbon had been left unused. That means firstly she is using 20 centimeter ribbon and 9 meter is left. So how can we find the left ribbon? That means 20 centimeter minus 9 centimeter, it becomes 11 centimeter. Now we have to find our answer in meter. So firstly, total ribbon make flowers 20 centimeter. So unused ribbon 9 centimeter and left ribbon, that means 20 centimeter minus 9 centimeter, it become 11 centimeter. So now we have to convert our answer into meter. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, and 11 centimeter is equal to 11 divided by 100 meter, which is how many decimal points? Place 1, 2. So answer is 1s, 10s, point 0.11 meter. In this way we can find the length of ribbon. Firstly we have to convert meter into centimeter. In this question we have to convert centimeter into meter. So these ways are to find the length of measure and length of any type of thing.